Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, I am doing Vlogmas, and if you don't want to miss the videos, then please subscribe to my channel and also like, share, and comment so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So today's video is a stationery haul video. As we are heading towards the end of the year, I am at a loss of a stationery. I don't have any pens, highlighters, sticky notes, anything at all. So this time I thought let's indulge into some cute stationery because I want to start my year with lots of journaling and also some cute stationery does not hurt anyone. So let's get started. So the first package is here. So the first package is this one. This is a washi tape set that I got, and the packaging is so good, so dreamy. It's purple and white, and I have not opened any of these packages because I wanted to show you, and also I will use this stationery in New Year, like in 2022, so that's why I have not opened any of these packages. This is how the washi tape looks like. There are lots and lots of colors. It's a blend of purple and white. It's so beautiful. They are of different sizes and centimeters, and it feels so luxe to me. Like the quality of papers is so good. And this one I got for 389 rupees, and it's so worth it for 389 rupees. Like it was on a sale, and it can also be used for like a normal journaling and also art journaling. Any of the stationery lovers can use this. So this is the first thing. Now heading on to the second package. It's a pack of highlighter, and I got highlighters like a pastel highlighter because I never ever used that neon highlighter because I don't like the color, and when I saw it on Amazon I thought that it would be very useful because whenever I read the books I mark it with pens, and I don't like to mark with pens, so I wanted to have a highlighter. Wow, so dreamy. So this is how the pack of highlighter comes, and it has four highlighters, and they have like a blue, like a pastely blue color, then there is a pastely green color, then there is my favorite lavender color, and also they have a pastel pink color. They are so good. Like I have not used it till now, but I will use it and I will let you know how does this work. I didn't tell you the price of the highlighter. Okay, so the highlighter costed me 274 rupees, and it's pretty good for 274 rupees. Now the next thing that I got, so these are the sticky notes, and I can never have enough of sticky notes. I always use that simple plain yellow pen one sticky notes, but this time I got this. So this time I got something I was eyeing on for a long. This is a planet sticky notes, and I cannot believe how beautiful these are. Okay, so there are three wavelengths. That is, first is Earth. Now, second one is Mercury, and the third one is Pluto. Now, the most favorite one of mine is Pluto, and I just love Pluto because it is purple and all. Also, they only have 30 sheets, like 30 sheets per piece. It has 30, it has 30, and it has 30, total of 90 sheets. And let me see the quality of paper. Okay, so the paper is very luxe, very good quality. Like it's super luxurious quality. It's not your regular sticky notes that you get from um, local store. But the only con is they are very expensive. This 3 pack I got for 275 rupees. You don't necessarily need this, but I wanted it, so I got it, and it is for 275. That is the 130 paper sheet is somewhat like 75 rupees, and that is very 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 expensive for a sticky note, but I wanted it. It's life of a stationery lover. Now the next one is like normal washi tapes that can be used, because the previous one is very very expensive and I cannot use it everywhere. So this is a normal paper tape, and they have some bunch of colors, that is pink, yellow, orange, blue, peach and green, and it comes handy for using in journals and also for studying and all. And now I got a thing which was very 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 needed. Like, I am not a very much of a book reader, but I try to read one book per month. And next up, this is a cute bookmark. Like, how cute is this bookmark? Like, there is a bunny with a cake, and it's so 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 cute. So I'm not that much of a book reader. I read one book per month, and I read it with intervals. Like, I read 4 5 pages one day, and the another one week I'm not gonna read it. So I was forgetting which page number I was in, and I used to have pens and pencils in between them. So for that purpose, I got this cute little bookmark. It's a magnetic bookmark, and both the sides have this cute bunny, and I just love such cute stationery items. And it's also very 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 expensive. This cute little thing is for 99 rupees. Now here comes the last thing. I got myself this desk organizer. It's of very good quality, and also it is very very stable. Like, it's not flimsy and all. It's of iron, and it is spacious. Like, here I can put my sticky notes here, the pens and pencil here, sticky notes, and here all the pins and all the things that I required. So I was in a dire need of this desk organizer, so that's why I called up for it. So let's start this new year with lots of journaling, lots of journaling, lots of positive light, lots of good vibes, and lots of self improvement and self love, and with lots and lots of cute stationery. So that is all for today's video, and my battery is blinking. So that is all for today's video, and I will meet you next. So that is all for today's video. And I will meet you next time in my next video. I don't know in which sequence I'm going to post this videos in Vlogmas, but I am pre-filming it so that I am somewhat prepared for my first ever Vlogmas. And if you are liking my videos, please support my channel and subscribe to it. And all the links will be in description box. So that is all for today's video. I will meet you next time. Till then, stay kind and spread happiness. Bye bye.